This is not your regular Zobo drink. This is so tasty and refreshing. You will love it. Let's get started. So, into a bowl, we are going to put in our Zobo leaves or Sobolo leaves, okay? And then we'll add some water to wash it thoroughly because this was bought from the market and it was exposed to a lot of dust and other foreign materials. So, we want to wash it thoroughly to clear all the dirt from it before we bring it to a boil. So you want to strain the water and wash it as many times as you prefer. Okay, now let's add some water into a pot on fire and then we transfer our zobo leaves into it and we add some cloves. We'll cover this and bring it to a boil. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please, if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I post another video. So we are going to cut our pineapple, which we'll be adding to our zobo drink or our sobolo drink. And now this is the color we preferred. I mostly love it thick like this, and you want to just let it boil a little and it will be okay. Now let's put off the fire and then allow this to cool while we work on our juice. Okay, now we are going to juice this pineapple. However, if you do not have a juicer, you can still use your blender, add some water to it and blend, and also use a cheesecloth or a strainer to strain the juice from the chaff. Okay, so you'll be able to add that to your zobo drink. Okay, you can add any other fruits you preferred. Okay. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Alright, now our double drink is cold enough, so we are going to strain this and we'll proceed on to the next one. Now we are going to make sure that there is no sobolo leaves in it. We just want it to be clear, as you see, just like this. You see, this is what we want, and we are going ahead to add our juice, the pineapple juice or any other juice you blended before. You are going to add that to it. We'll mix this up and then we go ahead to add our sweetening. You can take it this way if you don't like it, but I add 1 cup of sugar to this, and you can add any other flavor of your choice. And note there was ginger added to the pineapple juice which we blended from earlier. Okay, so this is the zobo drink. You can add honey instead of sugar. You can add the brown sugar. You can add the white sugar. You can add dates, okay, to this, and all you have to do is keep this in the refrigerator and it is all ready to be served. Okay, just like this drink is not your regular sobolo. This is so tasty and refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I post another amazing video like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.